Meaning of drowsily.
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 Drowsily. Drowsily means feeling sleepy or sluggish. It is an adverb used to describe a state of being tired, lethargic, or half asleep. When a person feels drowsily, they may be experiencing a feeling of heaviness, weariness, or fatigue. Their reaction time may be slower than usual, and they may have difficulty concentrating or staying alert. This state of mind can occur naturally, such as after a long day of work, or it can be induced by medications or drugs. Overall, feeling drowsily can negatively affect one's ability to function properly.